for joining us on this edition of A Cup of Joe with the Adonis Agency. Today I wanted to talk about something that I always say. I probably said it in a couple of different videos. What matters most? Protect what matters most, right? And what matters most is in my business plan, is in my mission statement, is in everything I do within my agency, within the four walls of my agency, because that's what drives me. And I wanted to talk to you guys about what matters most to you. And keeping in mind that what matters most is different from everyone, and it can change. It can change based on the situation you're in, based on the place where you at in this particular part of time in your life. And what matters most can be very different from what is most important. What I mean by that is, I think the three most important things in our lives is our health, our family, and our income, right? Now, does that necessarily mean that that's what matters most to me? Probably not, because if my health matters most, I probably wouldn't eat some of the things I eat, and Lord knows I probably wouldn't drink some of the things I drink. So what matters most to me now, I think personally, is my son. Wanting him to grow up to be a well-established, happy individual, wanting him to enjoy life, wanting to give him the options where he can pursue what he wishes to pursue without having any limitations. Hoping and doing everything I can to make sure he's well adjusted and he appreciates simple things and he strives to be the best he can be. That's what matters most to me, and that's what I focus everything I do on, is what can I do to make sure that happens for him. So what I'm asking you guys is concentrate on what matters most to you, define what matters most to you, and then work on achieving that. As it was said by Napoleon Hill, whatever the mind can conceive, the body can achieve, and we have to manage our thoughts. Positive thoughts will bring positive results, right? Yes, there are going to be bumps in the road. There's going to be negativity out there. Don't feed the negativity, feed the positivity, and that's what will happen, all right? And please like, share, comment. I would love to hear from you. Please feel free to give my agency a call, 631-390-8568. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one, guys.